Welcome back to ClearTask. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to change capital letters to lowercase in Microsoft Excel. It is simple, fast, and will save you a ton of manual work. Let's get right into it. Imagine you have a column of names or data completely in uppercase, and you need it formatted in lowercase. Here is the most efficient method to do it. First, click on an empty cell directly next to your first uppercase word. Type the equal sign, followed by the word lower. Open a left parenthesis. Now simply click on the cell containing your uppercase text. Close the parenthesis and hit enter. Instantly, your text is converted to lowercase. To apply this to your entire list, select that new lowercase cell. Hover over the bottom right corner until your cursor turns into a small black cross. Click, hold, and drag it all the way down your column. Just like that, all your cells are converted. But there is one final crucial step. If you click on any of these new cells, you will notice that the formula is still active in the background. If you delete the original uppercase column, your new lowercase text will break. To make this text permanent and remove the formula, do this. Select all your newly created lowercase cells, right-click, and choose Copy. Now, right-click that exact same selection again. Instead of a normal paste, look under Paste Options and select Paste as Values. It usually looks like a clipboard with the numbers 1, 2, and 3 on it. And that's it. You now have clean lowercase text with no background formulas attached. You can safely delete the old uppercase column. If you found this ClearTask guide helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more professional tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next video.